Hello guys, I hope you're all doing amazing. Today I'm preparing beans with vegetable and then chapati and rice. So welcome. So this is my bean. I'll put measure with a cup like this. And then that's enough. So guys, this is the water for cooking our beans. I'm going to put it here and then turn on the stove. And I'll go ahead and wash the beans. So the beans is already washed. It's very clean. I'm gonna add it in the water here and then let it allow it to boil. I'll cover it halfway because when it starts bubbling it's gonna spill down, so I'll cover it halfway like that to avoid it from spilling down. Okay, so now as the bean is getting ready, I'm going ahead and also start kneading our dough of chapati. Our beans is all done. Yes, now it's time for me to fry it. Yeah, so I'm gonna fry the beans and our vegetables here. This is spinach, and then this one is dodo. I cleaned it, I washed it yesterday. It's from the fridge. I'm going to prepare it as a side dish for eating our beans, guys. So now I'm going to use vegetable oil for frying our beans. I'll add it here. That's it. And another one here for also cooking our vegetables. Yeah. And add in our chopped onion. Yeah. So for frying our beans, I've used 2 large onions. Yes, the onion will make our beans taste so delicious and sweet when you use a lot of onion. And then also let's add the onion for the vegetables here. That's for the vegetables. Vegeta, yes. I'll add in Vegeta 1 spoon. I already added in there. And then a little bit of water. And then followed by our vegetables. Yeah. So for the in the onion, I'm going to add curry, and then black pepper, yeah, and then a bit of salt. So it's time to add in our beans here. So I'll let it cook for 5 minutes, and then our bean will be ready. So guys, our food is all ready. This is our chapati. As you can see, it's fluffy and very soft. Yes, it's ready. And our bean is already there. Yeah, and also our vegetable, yes, is also ready. We got our rice as well here, so it's time for us to serve our food. So now this is our chapati. Yes, the chapati is all ready and it is very, very, very soft, as you can see. Very soft and it's so delicious too. So it's time for us to serve and have our lunch. So I'll get rice, and beans, and here the vegetable. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. In case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get the amazing cooking video next time. Yes, so God bless you. Bye bye.